In January 2019, the Army launched the Next Generation Squad Weapon Program with the goal of replacing both the M4 carbine and the M249 light machine gun. The concern driving this was simple. Modern body armor had gotten so good that 5.56 millimeter was no longer reliable at punching through it at combat distances. The solution was the SIG MCX-SPEAR, chambered in 6.8 by 51 millimeters, also known as 277 Fury. SIG Sauer won the contract on April 19, 2022, and the weapon was designated the M7. So what makes this round special? The 6.8 by 51 millimeter cartridge operates at around 80,000 psi, far above standard rifle pressures. To handle that safely, the case uses a hybrid design with a stainless steel case head. This allows it to hit muzzle velocities exceeding 3,000 feet per second out of a 13-inch barrel. In terms of the rifle itself, the M7 uses a gas-operated system, a free-floating M-LOK handguard, and feeds from SR-25 pattern magazines. It also features fully ambidextrous controls and a non-reciprocating side charging handle. And importantly, every M7 is issued with a suppressor, a significant shift in Army policy. Alongside the rifle comes the M157 fire control system, a smart optic with a variable power scope, laser rangefinder, onboard ballistic calculator, atmospheric sensors, and a digital display. The goal is to increase first-round hit probability significantly over older iron sights or basic optics. The M7 began fielding in March 2024, and in January 2026, the Army's 25th Infantry Division began receiving it. The rifle has also seen improvements already. SIG presented an upgraded version in late 2025, the PIE M7, with a redesigned upper receiver, slimmer barrel, and lighter internals, reducing the weight from around 8.3 pounds down to about 7.6 pounds. A carbine variant with a 10-inch barrel was also shown, weighing around 7.3 pounds. The original M7 had been criticized for being heavier than the M4 it replaces, so this was a direct response to that feedback. The Army is currently deciding whether to field the lighter standard M7, adopt the carbine as the new baseline, or issue different configurations to different unit types. That's where things stand right now. The M7 is in active fielding, the cartridge is a genuine leap in performance, and the platform is still evolving. It's the most significant infantry rifle change the U.S. Army has made in over 60 years.